Dear colleagues, good day. This is Alicia from Moscow, and I would like to share with the information regarding to Ruspanel material and send this information to our community in Ruspanel Export Worldwide. So can you please pay attention on these kind of sandwich panels which Ruspanel produces since 2007. We produce different kind of composite materials where we try to solve the problem with heat insulation, with sound insulation, and in waterproofing zones. Pay attention to these composite materials which consist of different kind of layers. For example, basically we use extruded polystyrene, which is about 42 kilos for 1 cubic meter if we are talking about density, and this material is very pressed and also covered with a special fiberglass together with constructional net. This is very important. Why? Because this material already pre-finished for the final design. For example, you can already fix such the final material like tiles, or maybe stone, or maybe different kind of wallpapers or something like this. Pay attention to this material because we use and sell these kind of sandwich panels for the last 10 years here in Russia, and also for CIS countries such as Uzbekistan, Kazakhstan, Kyrgyzstan, Belarus, and also Armenia. And this year we would like to organize international sales to such countries as the Middle East countries, Indonesia, Malaysia, South America as well, because we get many calls, income calls regarding to this material from these countries. And I would like to explain to you more about this material, because this material is very interesting and have very long time period of maintenance. So here is, I prepared some kind of sample where you can see where our material is. So this is the basement. So you need to fix Ruspanel material onto the basement by using simple foam paste like this, and we call it glue Ruspanel. So you can use this Ruspanel foam paste and fix to this basement, and after that you can use also different kind of screws like this. You can use screws like this, and also plastic screws if we are talking about sound insulation. So basically we use two kind of fixing elements. The first one is a special foam paste, and the second one is screws. So, and after that you can see how easy to fix final design, let's say about tiles, onto the Ruspanel material. In this case you can see that this material has absolutely water resistible elements and doesn't let go water, maybe steam or some kind of different kind of components inside this material. So this material is absolutely water resistance, steam resistance, and keep the basement absolutely safety. And if it's so your final material will have a very long time maintenance. We provide the guarantee period for our material about 50 years, 50. After that, also you can pay attention to my backside where you can see different kind of materials which Ruspanel produces for the last 10 years. You can see different thickness starting from 6 millimeter up to 10 centimeter. So you can see different kind of layers how we use inside our panels. you can see such layers like extruded polystyrene, fiberboard, magnesium sheet, different kind of resins to improve sound insulation. You can see different kind of compositions. You can see the fiberglass from the one side, like here, and you can see also fiberglass, this defense, let's say, zone from the two sides. So it depends on your basement. If you have pretty good basement, like we have here, smooth, and you can use the one side material. And if your basement is not smooth enough, for example, it may be a little bit rough, so you can use the two side material with the fiberglass. In this case, you will organize absolutely smooth wall for your final design to fix different kind of elements like wallpaper, tiles, stones, or maybe simple paintings. So we have different dimensions of this material. The biggest one is a 2.5 meter and 60 centimeter for the weight, and the shortest one is a 1.25 centimeter. This one and the 60 centimeter for the weight. So if it will be necessary, dear colleagues, please let me know. I can send you more information through our catalog in English language, in Spanish language. Maybe for the Middle East countries it will be necessary to translate our catalog in Arabic language. So I will try to translate and send to you for your more information, because regarding to our feedback from different kind of specialists who are working for the constructional zones, for the heat insulation, for the spa areas, we see that this material is very interesting and probably also can be very interesting for you as well. Can you please pay attention also for this kind of flexible panel? Because of this panel we can construct different kinds of structures. We can produce for you 3D elements like this one. So you can use this kind of flexible material, which we call as a RPG rail. So you can use this material in the window areas. You can use in hammam zones. You can use in different kind of angles type basement where you need the oval construction, not like angle 90 degrees. So we can produce any kind of heat insulational material for you to keep your basement safety and to keep your houses in a thermo-insulational condition. For example, we use this material for Russia as a heat insulational material. Why? Because mostly during the winter time we have pretty cold weather outside, is about -15 up to -45 degrees. Can you imagine? And this material works very nice for our houses, for consulting zones, for the offices, in case to keep the warm weather inside the home. But if we're talking about maybe countries such as Malaysia or maybe Indonesia or Middle East countries and also Latin America, so basically these countries having very maybe warm weather conditions, not cold like here in Russia, and you can use this material like vice versa to keep your houses, to keep your room and spaces in cool conditions, to keep your houses from the hot weather outside. So this material can be very interesting and keep your houses in thermo-insulational conditions. So, and as I understood correctly regarding to our analysis during the last 2023, we understood that the problem about sound insulation, voice acoustic insulation is a common problem, not only for Russia, but it seems that worldwide. So that's why I would like to suggest you to pay attention to this material, which we call RPG Comfort Eco. So this material you can use if you need to insulate your houses, maybe consulting offices, from the voices or from the sounds outside, from your neighbors, from different kind of restaurants, from the highway, and so on. So you can use this kind of material and you will understand how the voices and noises will going down. So because we use this material for the last 10 years and we have approval from our customers, from our specialists who are busy in all of these areas. So please pay attention to all of this material, dear colleagues, to our samples. If it will be necessary, let's try to organize shipping out these kind of samples to your countries, maybe through the main flight, through the passengers, okay, maybe through some kind of express companies. So let's try to check which way can be more comfortable and more easy. If you will have any questions, please let me know. If you will need to organize additional studyings of Ruspanel material, please let me know so we can organize this studying, and I can send you a link for the Zoom as we do every week on Thursday at 12 p.m. regarding to Moscow time. So we can organize this kind of meeting together with you, dear colleagues, to show you, to demonstrate you, and to let you know about more information regarding to what Ruspanel can do, also not only for Russia but for the worldwide countries. So please let me know. I will try to keep on doing these videos for you because it seems that material Ruspanel interesting because we have so many feedbacks, we have so many visitings of different kind of customers from different countries to our showrooms, to our plant here, which is located in Moscow, by the way. And let us know. I will try to send you more information and show you how Ruspanel materials work in different kind of area regarding to sound insulation, heat insulation, waterproofing zones. Please keep in mind that we are working on such areas as the water pool zones, hammam areas as well. We are working also for the different kind of constructional areas as a building, 2 floors building, 3-floor building as well. So we can try to cover the almost any area where you can be obstacled with a sound insulational problem, with a heat insulational or maybe thermo insulational problems, and so on. And please, let's keep in mind that this material is already pre-finished because it has constructional net together with the special fiberglass. It means that you save your time, you save your money, and you can finish your works more easier and faster than if you would do by yourself from one layer to another, from one step to another step. We pre-finished almost everything. All you need to do just to put order for this material, to understand about square meters, understand about the quantity of these panels, and use this material on your area. Thank you so much for your attention. I will try to keep on doing these videos for your information in future. Thank you so much. Have a nice day. See you later.